Is it safe to crack your own neck? Wow, that's a good question. So I've been practicing for over 22 years. I don't crack my own neck, okay? So what I recommend is if you're feeling like you need to crack your neck, there's probably something going on. And when you're doing it by yourself and cracking your own neck, you're taking joints that are already hypermobile and you're making them more hypermobile, which is gonna cause instability. So instead, take a towel that's rolled up and then go ahead and just take a nice deep breath in, lean your head back, breathe out, let your head fall back. So do that for a few breaths and then afterwards, roll your head around, okay? The towel's gonna provide some traction. It's gonna take pressure off the joints. And while you're rolling it around, you might get a couple of little clicks or releases. That's okay, but at least you're not forcing it.